GPT-5 is now available inside Cursor IDE. You can go ahead and use it with the agent mode, ask mode, or whatever other mode you want. And for the first week, it's completely free. The first results show that GPT-5 is absolutely incredible for front-end designing. So today, we're going to be testing it out. The first thing we're going to do is create a Flappy Bird game. So we give the prompt to the model and let's see what the model will come up with. We can see that it is deeply integrated inside Cursor and it has started creating the game. While we wait for the game to be made, I want to let you know that I have an AI course that is teaching you how to leverage AI to become more productive than ever and profit as much as possible from the AI gold rush. This is the best course out in the market because it's the cheapest one, you only pay once, and you get to understand AI tools from coding to deep research to video, song, music, image creation, and a lot of other modalities. You only pay once, you get over 25 hours of tutorials inside the course. And of course, you support the channel. You will find it down below in the description. But let's see how this model performs. The model has thought for 20 seconds, which is not too long, but the game we're trying to create is quite simple, to be honest. And what I have seen up till now is that GPT-5 is a lot faster than the previous models. Probably it's a smaller model or maybe a more optimized one in terms of inference. We already have seen the open source models from OpenAI. They are very small in terms of active parameters, but very capable. So the model has created this flappy.html, we accept the changes, and then the only thing you have to do is to just open up the HTML. So this is how the game looks. This is exactly like the models that we have seen on OpenRouter, being the Horizon Alpha and Beta. So the game is very hard to play. It's very difficult in general. And yeah, I feel it's super hard for me to beat these games. I don't know why they're so hard to play. But the UI looks amazing, the functionality is there, there is also this game over menu that shows you the best score that you did, as well as the current score, and also gives you instructions. So the response is very nice, I really like the UI, this is a full-fledged Flappy Bird game. Let's try another prompt, which is to build an interactive Pokemon Pokédex. So let's go ahead and create that. We open up a new chat and we remove this context, we close the test and let's run it. So the first thing that this model is doing is actually planning. It's take a preprocessing step to plan the exact process of what it's going to create, which seems interesting. Also, if you want to see how these prompts compare to the chat version of the model, stick around, press the subscribe button because I will be uploading this video very soon, where we will be checking out these prompts in the chat mode in the online version of ChatGPT, not just as a paired programmer inside Cursor. Okay, so the model has actually created a Pokédex folder with all of the files inside it and asks us to run this command, so it will open up the Pokédex. And here is the Pokédex. It's absolutely beautiful. Congratulations. It looks super nice. We've got all of the stats here. Let's see if the stats look sensible. They seem like they do. So these are taken through an API probably. UI looks very nice. Let's also see mobile view. Yep, it's fully scalable. It's doing a very good job. I really like it. Congratulations. This is indeed a very nice UI with very nice coloring. And I really like the details of having the coloring according to the type of the Pokemon. So this is grass and bug and you get this beautiful gradient. This is very nice. I really like it. Congratulations. Let's see here. Extra functionality is working. So yeah, this is pretty nice. Very nice UI. So up till now we've got 2 out of 2 requests by Cursor and GPT-5 being completely amazing. I really want to do one final check, but it feels like already I have used these models in the past. So let's go ahead and ask it to create a transformer teaching web page. So we give it this beautiful prompt that we have been using in the past, and I want to go ahead and see if this model can follow multiple instructions inside its context or, use its own planning to improve upon it. So I really want to see what they will be able to create, how it's going to tackle this problem, and what kind of beautiful website it's going to build for us. But up till now, I'm quite excited to see this beautiful response from the model. Like, I'm quite amazed. So the response is ready, and this is the Transformer tutor website. So let's see it in live action. For some reason, this is sticky, which I don't really like. All of the other stuff look good, and here it has a run pen that allows you to run code. Well, this is quite interesting that it's able to create something like this, which is like, it's quite insane just that it tries to do exactly that. Wow. This is insane. So you can click start learning or try code. It also gives you scrollable stuff here to explain multiple things about the model. But in general, I would say that this is not a very good website. It feels a lot complicated, and the cheat sheet here is not exactly how I would like it. Download PDF allows you to take a screenshot. So yeah, I would say that at least on this specific question, it was not able to, create an amazing website. However, if I refresh it, you can see everything is animated at first, which is a small of a plus, a small of a bonus. So yeah, in total, I think this is a quite capable, nice model, but I don't think it's a significant jump versus the previous models, especially the thinking ones.